Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Dewi Sriwahyuni. In this time, I will explain about Student Team Achievement Division Learning Method or STID. So, let's start with the meaning of STID first. According to Slevin, Student Team Achievement Division or STID is one type of cooperative that emphasize the existence of activities and interactions between students to motivate each other and help each other in mastering the subject matter in order to achieve the maximum performance. And then, what is the step of Student Team Achievement Division Learning Method or STID? Okay, according to Slevin, the steps that must be taken in STID learning are: first, presentation the material by the teacher. Second, students join in group of 4 until 6 people. This group must be divided heterogeneously. What is heterogeneously means? Heterogeneously means that the student must have a various background. For example, like gender, and then religion, and then achievement, and others. And then the third, the teacher give a test to the group to do an exercise to discuss an advanced topic together. Here, all the members must work together. Next, fourth, the teacher give a quiz or test or cross questions between groups. And then, the quiz scores is to determine the individual scores, where also to determine the group scores. And then the last step is reinforcement by the teacher. This reinforcement can be in the form of giving an evaluation or conclusion. Okay, that is the step of STID learning method according to Slevin. And then, how the application of STID learning method in office administration subject. So, here I will explain the example of STID learning method application in office administration subject, which I choose microeconomic subject, and for the material, I choose economic system. So, let's check it out.
Okay, I will explain about application of the Student Team Achievement Division Learning Method on the subject matter of microeconomics in the Economic System chapter. First, the teacher enters the class and then gives an explanation of the material about the economic system, like what the meaning of economic system, and then various economic system, the objective of economic system, and then the weakness and the strength of economic system. After the teacher give an explanation, and then the next is the teacher divides students into groups of 4 until 6 students. For example, we have 12 students in a class, and then divide the 12 students into 3 groups that consists 4 members. After divide the student into a group, and then the teacher give assignment to group to work on various economic system, the objective of economic system, and the weakness and the strength of economic system. After doing group assignment, the teacher then gives a quiz that must be answered individually. Score will be used for individual assessment as well as group assessment. So basically, the score is to determine the individual score and also the group score. For example, the teacher gives a quiz for the first group. The quiz is mention the various economic system. And then Bentley from the first group answering the quiz. The answer is traditional system, market system, command system, and mixed system. And the answer is correct. So, Bentley get 1 score, also the group get 1 score. And we need to know that when a member is answering the quiz, the rest of the members and the rest of the group cannot help each other. they can only listen to it. So, the role of the group in this learning method is only to strengthen the understanding of the material that being studied. After all groups given a quiz, then the teacher give a conclusion and assessment or awards. For example, each student is given 5 quizzes. If each member in the group answers all correctly, then the score obtained by the group is 20, and each member gets a score of 5. There is some example. 2 students correct 3 quizzes, 1 student correct 1 quizzes, 1 student correct 2 quizzes. So, the group score is 9, and the score of each student depends on the score obtained in answering the quiz. Okay, there is the example of implementation of STID learning method in Office Administration subject. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.